Is investing in short-term rentals in 2025 still worth it? Or is the Airbnb gold rush finally over? If you're thinking about making money with Airbnb or VRBO, you need to know about the new regulations, shifting markets, and fresh opportunities that could make or break your investment. In this video, I'll break down the latest regulations affecting Airbnb and VRBO hosts, the top cities and states for short-term rental profits, how to stand out in a competitive market, the real costs and challenges of managing an STR, and some exciting alternatives like mid-term rentals and co-living spaces. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's get into it. Short-term rentals have been one of the hottest real estate investments for years, but is 2025 still a good time to jump in? The answer, yes, but only if you understand the changes happening right now. Here's what's new. Regulations are tightening. Many cities are cracking down on Airbnb-style rentals to combat housing shortages. Some places now require special permits or limit the number of nights a property can be rented. Tourism is rebounding. Despite regulations, demand for STRs remains strong, especially in vacation destinations, business hubs, and areas near major events. The key to success in 2025. Choose the right market, play by the rules, and adapt to changing trends. So what's happening with short-term rental laws? Many major cities are introducing stricter rules for Airbnb hosts. Here's some key updates. New York City, hosts now need to register their rentals, and entire home listings under 30 days are mostly banned. San Francisco requires STR hosts to live in the property at least 275 days per year. Hawaii, some counties have outlawed short-term rentals outside of tourist zones. The takeaway? Before buying a short-term rental in 2025, check local laws carefully to avoid investing in an area that might restrict or ban STRs. Pro tip, some cities still allow short-term rentals but require licenses, taxes, and compliance with local housing rules. Do your homework. So where should you invest? While some cities are clamping down, other places are thriving. Here are the best short-term rental markets in 2025 based on demand, regulations, and profit potential. Top U.S. STR markets in 2025. 1. Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Huge tourism demand with STR-friendly regulations. 2. Kissimmee, Florida, near Disney World, attracting year-round visitors. 3. Phoenix, Arizona, big event-driven market, great for seasonal STRs. 4. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, strong vacation rental market, good for beach properties. 5. Smoky Mountains, Tennessee, County, North Carolina, consistently high occupancy rates. Why these markets? They have lenient STR laws. They offer high occupancy rates. They attract year-round tourists. Pro tip, research seasonality and competition before buying in any market. Competition is fierce, so how do you make your listing a success? Here are 5 must-know strategies to dominate the STR game in 2025. First, niche your rental and theme your Airbnb. Properties designed around a specific theme, such as a boho retreat, modern cabin, or jungle loft, tend to perform better and attract more bookings. Second, invest in high-quality photos and staging. Professional photos combined with great design lead to higher booking rates, so it's important not to cut corners. Third, automate and streamline management by using smart tools like dynamic pricing software, like PriceLabs. AirDNA. Fourth, create an unforgettable guest experience, as small details can make a big difference. Offering welcome baskets, personalized recommendations, and ultra-fast Wi-Fi can enhance a guest stay. Finally, market beyond Airbnb and VRBO by listing your property on multiple platforms such as Booking.com, direct booking sites, and social media to maximize exposure. If you want to succeed, don't just list a property. Turn it into an experience. Short-term rentals can be profitable, but they're not all passive income and easy money. Here are the real costs you need to consider. Furnishing and setup. Expect to spend $10,000 to $30,000 or more to fully furnish a rental. Cleaning and maintenance. Guests expect hotel-level cleanliness, and hiring cleaners means higher costs. Property management fees. If you don't self-manage, expect to pay 20 to 30% of revenue to a management company. Taxes and fees. Many cities charge occupancy taxes, licensing fees, and Airbnb platform fees. Seasonality. Some markets have slow seasons where bookings drop. The key, run the numbers and prepare for all costs before diving in. If strong regulations are too strict in your area, there are other profitable options to consider. Two hot alternatives to Airbnb are midterm rentals and co-living spaces. Midterm rentals, which involve renting to traveling nurses, remote workers, or corporate travelers for 1 to 6 months, offer lower turnover, less cleaning and maintenance, and avoid STR restrictions. These are ideal in cities with major hospitals, tech hubs, or universities. Co-living spaces, on the other hand, involve long-term shared housing where multiple tenants rent individual rooms but share common areas. This option provides high cash flow, longer stays with less turnover, and strong demand in urban areas. If you're concerned about STR regulations, midterm rentals and co-living spaces could be a safer and more profitable strategy. Final verdict, short-term rentals are still a great investment in 2025, but only if you pick the right market and adapt to new trends. STRs regulations are getting stricter, so it's crucial to research your market before diving in. The best STR cities in 2025 include Gatlinburg, Phoenix, and Myrtle Beach. To stand out, you'll need great design, automation, and an unforgettable guest experience. Be prepared for higher costs, seasonality, and management challenges. If STR laws are too strict in your area, consider midterm rentals or co-living spaces as an alternative. Thinking about getting into STRs? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next real estate investing video. See you in the next one.